Okay, question 1. So we have to integrate x times e to the minus x. So we're going to work down this acronym here, and we're going to call the first thing that we see u. So do we see an inverse trig function? No. Right? Do we see a logarithmic function? No. Do we see an algebraic expression like a polynomial? And the answer is yes. This x is just an expression like a simple polynomial. It's just x to the 1. So what we'll do is we will call that u. Then u prime is equal to 1. Now I like to work around in like an anti-clockwise direction here. As soon as we found u prime, we'll jump straight over to what's called v prime, and that will be the other expression. So that will be e to the minus x. Now what we need to do is we need to integrate that to get v. So when we integrate e to the minus x, we not only just get e to the minus x, but then we have to divide through by the derivative of that power, so that'd be minus. Now we're going to plug all of this into the integration by parts expression. If you remember, was uv minus the integral of v times du dx, right, with respect to x. So let's just substitute everything in that we have. So we have u, that's x. Now we've got v, which is minus e to the minus x. So let's put the minus at the front, and that's e to the minus x. And then we have subtract, and we've got the integral of v, which is the same thing again. So that's minus, so we'll just put minus e to the minus x, so that's actually really a plus, times du by dx, which is just 1. So I'm not going to do that right now, so because it's just 1. So we're just going to integrate that. Well, when we integrate this value, it's going to say exactly the same. I'm going to divide through with a derivative, so that's going to be plus. So we're going to end up with negative x e to the minus x minus, as I said, this term is going to come out to be plus now, okay, which would be e to the minus x. And don't forget, we've got a plus c once we've done an integration, like an indefinite integral. So we can just factor out e to the minus x now. So in this, that's c, because it's an indefinite integral. And that is the end of question 1.